Hey everyone, welcome back to where we dive deep into the world of blockchain, crypto, and all things digital. Today we're talking about one of the hottest topics in the crypto space, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. You've probably heard the buzz around NFTs, but what exactly are they, how do they work, and why are people spending millions on them? Stick around and by the end of this video you'll have a solid understanding of NFTs and why they're transforming the digital landscape. Let's get started. First things first, what is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. But what does that really mean? To understand NFTs, we need to break down the term non-fungible and token. Let's start with fungible in economics. Fungible assets are things that can be exchanged on a one-for-one basis because they hold the same value. Think of a dollar bill or a Bitcoin each is worth the same as any other dollar bill or Bitcoin. They're interchangeable. Now, non-fungible means that something is unique and can't be replaced with something else. A piece of art, for example, is non-fungible. If you own an original painting, you can't simply exchange it for another painting and consider it the same. So an NFT is a digital asset that represents ownership or proof of authenticity of a unique item. It's stored on a blockchain, which makes it secure, transparent, and immutable. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, where each coin is the same, every NFT is one of a kind, or at least one of a very limited series. Now that we know what NFTs are, let's dive into how they work. NFTs are built on blockchain technology, most commonly on the Ethereum blockchain, though other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain and Flow are also used. Each NFT has a unique identifier that distinguishes it from other tokens. This identifier is stored on the blockchain, along with additional metadata. The blockchain acts as a decentralized ledger, recording every transaction made with the NFT. This means that when you buy an NFT, you're not just buying the image, video, or digital item itself, you're buying the proof of ownership that is verifiable on the blockchain. Think of it like owning a physical collectible, like a rare baseball card. The card itself has value, but what really matters is the authenticity and rarity. The blockchain acts like a certificate of authenticity, ensuring that your digital asset is the real deal. NFTs come in various forms, and they're not limited to just one type of digital content. Let's explore some of the most popular categories. Digital art. This is perhaps the most well-known application of NFTs. Artists create unique digital artworks and sell them as NFTs. These pieces can range from simple illustrations to complex, animated visuals. Buyers get ownership of the digital art, and the artist can earn royalties from future resales. Music and audio. Musicians are using NFTs to sell their music directly to fans. This can include anything from a single song to an entire album. Some artists are even offering exclusive content or experiences through NFTs, like backstage passes or private concerts. Virtual real estate. In virtual worlds like Decentraland or the Sandbox, users can buy, sell, and trade virtual plots of land as NFTs. These digital spaces can be developed, rented out, or even sold for profit. Collectibles. Digital collectibles like CryptoKitties, NBA Top Shot moments, and virtual trading cards are another popular form of NFTs. Each collectible is unique and can be bought, sold, or traded on various marketplaces. Gaming assets. In blockchain-based games, players can own in-game assets like skins, weapons, or even characters as NFTs. This ownership allows them to trade or sell these assets outside the game environment, often for real money. Domain names. Some platforms allow users to buy and sell blockchain-based domain names as NFTs. These domain names are decentralized, meaning no central authority controls them, and they can be traded freely. Interested in getting your hands on an NFT? Or maybe you want to create and sell your own? Here's how you can do it. To buy NFTs, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. You'll also need some cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum, as most NFTs are bought and sold on the Ethereum blockchain. Once your wallet is set up and funded, you can browse NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation, Each platform offers a wide range of NFTs, from art and music to collectibles and more. When you find something you like, you can place a bid or buy it outright, depending on the seller's preference. Selling NFTs works similarly. If you're an artist or creator, you can mint your NFT by uploading a digital file to a marketplace, setting your price, and listing it for sale. When someone buys your NFT, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain and you receive the payment directly in your wallet. Now, you might be wondering, why are people spending so much money on NFTs? The value of an NFT is derived from a combination of factors. Scarcity. Many NFTs are limited editions or one-of-a-kind pieces, which creates a sense of scarcity. Just like rare physical collectibles, limited supply can drive up demand and value. Ownership and authenticity. NFTs provide verifiable ownership and authenticity, which is important in the digital world. This is especially valuable for artists and creators, as it ensures they can be credited and compensated for their work. Utility. Some NFTs offer more than just ownership, they provide utility. For example, owning a certain NFT might grant you access to exclusive content, events, or virtual spaces. Community and status. In some cases, owning an NFT is about being part of a community or showcasing status. For instance, certain NFTs are seen as status symbols within specific online communities. Speculation. Let's be honest, some people buy an NFTs purely as an investment, hoping that the value will increase over time. Like any market, there's a degree of speculation involved. So what does the future hold for NFTs? While it's still early days, NFTs have the potential to revolutionize not just art and entertainment, but also industries like real estate, fashion, and more. As technology evolves and more people understand the value of digital ownership, we can expect to see NFTs become an even more integral part of the digital economy. However, it's important to remember that, like any new technology, NFTs come with risks. Prices can be volatile and the market is still developing. It's crucial to do your own research and understand what you're getting into before buying or investing in NFTs. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of what NFTs are and why they're so exciting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and trade wisely.